Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on the smartphone. The first thing you should consider is removing the screen protection from your device, and then trying to also remove the protective case before you do that, and try to check your device and if maybe this simple solution will solve the problem for you before you even remove the screen protection. But if removing the case doesn't solve it, of course try to remove the screen protection, because maybe that's the cause of this problem. Then clean the screen to remove debris or moisture from your smartphone. If nothing helps, then go to settings, then go to display and brightness, find the lock screen and open this menu, scroll down and make sure that this feature is disabled. If it's disabled, you can also try to enable it and check if this solves the problem. The last thing that you can do is go back to settings, check system and update, go to software update, make sure that you are connected to the internet, and check if your device has any updates to install. Try updating your device and see if the problem is resolved. And that's all the tips I wanted to mention in this video. So I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.